Optimizing Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup is crucial for accurate data collection and analysis. To begin, ensure you have a Google Analytics account and a Universal Analytics property set up. First, verify your website ownership by adding the Universal Analytics tracking code to your website. This code should be placed in the head section of every web page you want to track. Next, set up data retention to control how long your user-level data is stored. This is important for compliance with data protection regulations. You can set the retention period to anything from 14 months to never expire. Now, configure your data collection settings. Ensure that IP anonymization is enabled to mask users' IP addresses and comply with data protection laws. You can also set up user ID to track users across devices and browsers. Another important step is to set up goals and events. Goals track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases, while events track specific user interactions, such as button clicks or video plays. To get the most out of your data, set up enhanced e-commerce tracking. This will allow you to track product impressions, clicks, and purchases, giving you a detailed understanding of your customers' buying behavior. You should also set up audience demographics and interests reports. This will give you insights into your users' age, gender, and interests, allowing you to create targeted marketing campaigns. Finally, ensure that you have set up filters to exclude internal traffic and spam traffic. This will give you a more accurate picture of your website's performance and prevent skewed data. By following these steps, you can optimize your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup and gain valuable insights into your website performance and user behavior. This will enable you to make informed decisions and drive business growth.